Witam wszystkich serdecznie, słuchajcie, welcome everyone. Today I have a special surprise for all of you. We are at the farm. Jesteśmy na farmie. Jak widzicie, jest za mną combine. Behind me is a combine. And soon we will have a short ride on the combine with my friend Mr. Paul. And they are picking, well, they are combining, koszą kukurydzę, ziarna kukurydzę, która będzie służyła na paszę, czy tam na inne rzeczy. So they are combining a corn. Corn will be used for many things as we do here in America. So let's go and see what's going on here around. So as you can see, corn is unloading. They are unloading from that car to the smallest one, and from the smallest one this goes to the silo. Z tej przyczepki dużej, która jedzie za kombajnem, kukurydza jest przesypywana do tej mniejszej i potem przez tą mniejszą, przez rury idzie w silos na przechowanie. Tak więc tak to wygląda na farmie. I teraz idziemy na combine. We are going to see the combine. See? Combine is just here. Mr. Paul is there and I will follow him. So, guys, I'm right now inside. You see, this is inside with my friend Mr. Paul, and we are going to the field, and you are going with us. Słuchajcie ludzie, jedziemy właśnie w kombajnie. No to popatrzcie sobie. Yeah. There is a computer. So you will keep going this track?
I'm going down to where I was partway across the field and I had to pull out, go back up and get the.
I see.
Get the auger unplugged.
So this combine is fully air conditioned, right?
Oh yes. Yep. What temperature do you want? I have it set at 76.
76 is fine. Słuchajcie ludzie, w kombajnie, w tym takim kombajnie jest air condition, jest ochładzanie. A jak widzicie, jedziemy tutaj prosto, bo tam jest niedokończony, trzeba dokończyć tą ścieżkę. I tak tutaj zaraz sobie z tym poradzę.
Joystick controls my speed.
I see.
It has the controls on to raise and lower the head. When the cart comes back out to the field and we dump on him, then this will swing the auger out and then the unload auger. Dump the corn on the cart. RPM, 2460 RPM. We're going to 2.8 mile an hour. So we go about 3.
there is a tank behind us where the corn is going, if you can see. Oh, here. This corn, which is coming from the front of the combine, is now back there. And
Combine shells the kernels off the cob, spits the cobs out the back. This is our yield monitor. It tells us at what particular point in the field what it's yielding. That number there is bushels per acre. It's yielding about 250 bushel per acre. Moisture, around 20.19.7, 20.3. It varies as we go across the field, percent moisture. Swing our auger out. To your left, you'll see the auger coming out.
the tractor with the car is approaching. And the combine will release the corn down to the cart. Jak widzicie, traktorek z przyczepką podjechał i z kombajnu poleci kukurydza. O, właśnie się zaczyna. Tak to się robi w Ameryce. This is how we do in United States. We have a beautiful weather. Mamy piękną pogodę dzisiaj. Koło 21 Celsjusza. About maybe 70 Fahrenheit outside. Yeah, so 7. So it's like we have returned back to this almost summer weather, which is just for a moment, because in the next 2 weeks probably we will have a so cold. W Polsce się mówi taką tę pogodę babie lato, tutaj się mówi indiańskie lato, Indian summer. So most probably we are now in an Indian summer. Gdzie za 2 tygodnie będziemy już mieli praktycznie zimową aurę i może nawet na Thanksgiving, na święto dziękczynienia będzie śnieg. I dlatego wszyscy farmerzy muszą zebrać kukurydzę przed tymi zimnymi, już przed zimną pogodą. As you see, the speed of the combine and the tractor needs to be kind of equal so that the corn may be going down to the cart instead of the field. Those guys, they know what they are doing. We have done this before, they will say to you. Other stuff they may say, we never done this before. But this, oh yeah, I can tell you, they know what they are doing. Panowie wiedzą, co robią, wiedzą jak to wszystko, żeby kombajn jechał równo i traktor jechał równo i kukurydza wpadała do przyczepy.
How much did you want to run?
Okej, zakończyliśmy jazdę na kombajnie i teraz trzeba zejść z maszyny. A schodzi się w taki sposób. So we have finished the ride on the combine and now I have to go down and of course I have steps here to go down. So the combine, you see, looks like this. That's the combine, na którym właśnie jechaliśmy. So that's the combine of that joyful ride. And i myślę, że już na dzisiaj wyprawa farmerska jest zakończona. Także kochani, pozdrawiam Was wszystkich. So guys, this is the end of my visit here. I hope you like this ride on that stuff, right? And we will find out something else, you know, something awesome to do together. So stay cool, trzymajcie się.